Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Biko nyere m aka. Biko nyere m aka, which means please help me. When you tell me Biko nyere m aka, what will be my response? I will say to you, n'ụzọ ole, n'ụzọ ole, which means in what way. Please take note of the color of each word that make up the phrase or sentence, because they are giving these colors to differentiate their individual meanings and give you a better understanding of the structure of the sentence. Go out there and practice this. You will never learn how to speak Igbo language until you begin to practice it. So, meet your friend around you, meet your neighbor, and tell them, Biko nyere m aka. Expect a response. And if they don't know what to say, tell them to say, n'ụzọ ole. As you practice this, remember to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss our next upload. Also, like and comment so that we know how to serve you better and help others to also get access to it.